Hi guys, this is Trinity at Tye-Dyed with Animal Care, and we are going to be feeding off hornworms today. This is Aladdin, and we're going to feed him a hornworm. Let's see if he takes it. You want a hornworm, buddy? He doesn't seem very interested.
He sees the whole thing.
Aha.
He doesn't realize what's in front of him.
Aha. Let's move that out of the way then, huh? Oh goodness. Oh, there he goes. You want another one, buddy? Oh.
Is Bert gonna get some?
Bert is gonna get a hornworm. Let's see if he wants one. Let's see if he gets distracted again. Oh, he's, oh yeah, you gotta kill it. Gotta kill it first. Cannot be alive. It's still alive. Do you want another one, Bert? I'll give you this bigger one because it's funny. There you go, Bert. Kill it. Kill it, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So we got Jabba. Let's see.
Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
Get that.
It's gone. Oh my goodness,
Oh, you can see her teeth.
You're taking the tongs with you, buddy. Holy cow.
Here's Old Man Wilson.
Old Man Wilson, let's see if he wants one. Do you want a hornworm, buddy? Very confused. Oh, you almost, it's wiggling on you. Hold on. There we go. There we go, Wilson. Oh yeah.
He's doing the less exaggerated version of what Bert does to his.
Yes. Well, he's a little older than Bert too.
Oh, well, they're about the same age, I'd say.
Really?
Good stuff, buddy.
Good stuff.
Well, she's gonna give you a baby one.
Oh, yep, there you go. There you go, Wilson. Okay, are you ready? Do you even know what this is?
Yeah, because we fed him one the other day.
Oh yeah? Oh goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Wow.
That disappeared quickly.
Yes, it did. I'd say so, for a big chunker. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
They want to look around for a little bit, but I'm going to end up needing
You want to wormy? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
Oh, we like that.
Oh yeah.
Are you just gonna sit there with it in your mouth? There you go.
He's like, can't get enough of it. You ready? Do you want one? Oh yeah, oh yeah. There you go. There you go. Do you want another one? Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. So excited about these guys, they always love it.
Really?
Yes.
No wonder you guys are so chunky. They keep giving you treats.
Are you prepared? She already knows what's coming. She's like, oh yeah, oh my goodness, I dropped it. I'm horrible. There we go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, you want another
She's
one?
like, you better hurry up and give me another one.
Right? All right, no more for you.
Yeah, you're a little chunk.
Right? Yeah, look at that. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. Look at the look you're getting from that one.
I see it. Are you just absolutely ready? Okay. There you go. Oh my gosh.
Jumped for it.
Will you jump for it again? Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
yeah.
Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh my gosh. Stood straight up for that one.
What are you doing? Look what you. What are you sitting on your butt? Okay, get down. On that note, see you later.
See you later.